Today's tip has no jokes in it. This one is serious and it could save your life. Here's the fact. From 2014 to 2018, almost 3 out of 5 fire deaths were caused by fires in properties with no smoke alarms, which made up 41%. Or smoke alarms that failed to operate, which made up a still very large 16%. Guys, alarm bells should be going off in your head right now. Are you in jeopardy of being one of the 41%? Do you not have smoke alarms in every bedroom and in your main spaces? Go online or go to your local hardware store and get them right now. Please. There is absolutely no reason that number should be so high. Now, for those of you who do have a smoke alarm in all of your bedrooms and main areas, good job. But when's the last time that you tested them? How old are they? Do they look like this? Listen to me. Smoke alarms have an expiration. On average, they only last for 8 to 10 years. Go now and see if your fire alarms have an expiration. Guys, 16% of fire deaths were from smoke alarms that failed to trigger. That's so many unnecessary deaths. Please don't add to that percentage. Thank you for watching.